Personally, I feel very happy. I have a State Bank of India account. I draw salary. I draw salary from the State Bank of India. Long back, when I was studying in Delhi, a very close friend of mine, he and myself, we wrote civil service. I got into civil service. He got into State Bank of India. We continued our association. Luckily, I got an opportunity after doing my collector Guntur, got a fellowship abroad. When I went to American consulate in Madras, I met a State Bank of India friend. He was going as manager in the Chicago branch. I was going to Boston. He was a friend. We became closer. He rose very high in the ranks of State Bank of India. When I was in Boston, I took all advice from him how to invest the surplus money I got from my scholarship. And with his advice, as a World Bank and Rockefeller Foundation fellow, of course the fellowship 87 to 93, it was quite good. At that time, State Bank of India started many new innovations how to attract NRI dollars. I invested in FCNR, non-resident Indian accounts, got benefited strongly. Today my financial stability as a very honest officer, it goes to State Bank of India, the non-resident Indian schemes. So personally, I am very indebted to the State Bank of India. Coming to my state, the contribution of State Bank is enormous. The state has benefited significantly from the bank's operations in Andhra Pradesh. The previous speakers spoke about the figures of State Bank of India, all India, to some extent in Andhra Pradesh. Let me just repeat some of the figures. Deposits from Andhra Pradesh alone, 65,243 crores. We deposited 65,243 crores, but benefited much more by loans to the tune of 87,635 crores. The credit deposit ratio must be one of the highest in the country, 134.32%. Coming to priority sector lending, which is of vital importance to the state government, we thank the State Bank of India for leading in priority sector loaning to the tune of 40,424 crores. Andhra Pradesh is a very strong agricultural state. The lending of 22,421 crores has been extremely beneficial to our farmers. We are grateful to the bank for being generous to lending to the farm sector. State Bank of India has been lead bank in 5 of your districts. We also thank the State Bank in establishing Rudy Settis, our for rural training, and the weaker section lending has been of the order of 8,495 crores. The government side, as usual, we always consider that banking sector is, but they should do more. I have got 5 requests. First of all, today we had a program in this hall on 2-3 new achievements of Andhra Pradesh. Few days back, there was a program in Delhi, my old university, Harvard University. Professor Michael Porter is one of the most important, celebrated management strategists of the world from Harvard Business School. Professor Michael Porter's Institute of Competitiveness is a very important think tank institute. In collaboration with this institute, Mint, a a national paper in joint collaboration with Wall Street Journal and Hindustan Times chose Andhra Pradesh as the most competitive investment driven economy in the country. I would request State Bank of India to help our state infra in industry and related sectors, because growth of the economy, for inclusive growth of the economy, we require a balanced growth of industry, services and agricultural sector, particularly the new sunrise sectors which give a lot of productivity. The second occasion for our celebration was Andhra Pradesh stood first in the country consecutively for 3 years in implementation of 20-point program, and this is meant for the poor, upliftment of the poor, thanks to banks like State Bank of India, who have been pioneers in our self-help group bank linkage. This award was possible. The third was occasion for the celebration. For today, we crossed 2 crores hassle-free, without human interface transactions through our Mi-Seva counters. 150 services, 2 crores transactions. We are planning to do 7 crore transactions with 300 services annually. Again, as all of you know, the Government of India and the state government, we consider direct benefit transfer as a way to improve the delivery of our programs, particularly in LPG delivery, pensions, scholarships. We have requested, our state is forerunner, it is ahead of many states in Aadhaar linkage and seeding of Aadhaar numbers to bank accounts. We would request the State Bank of India and other banks to lead in the Aadhaar program, which includes enrollment all the people in Andhra Pradesh to Aadhaar numbers, making them, establishing financial inclusion, making them be part of the banking system, open accounts, seed Aadhaar numbers in the bank account, link the benefits to bank accounts and Aadhaar number.